currently going after this bad boy, this badass hook down here. Following this mother... Actually, I can't. We are in deadline for this tornado warning right here. EAS tones are going off. We're waiting for this thing to show up. There you go, right back there. Possible. We got a funnel cloud. We got a funnel cloud.
Perfect.
There it is, baby. Got a funnel cloud. Funnel cloud. Funnel cloud.
Oh. Here comes the hail.
Go, go, go. Yeah, I know. It's about to start downpouring any second now.
Yeah, it's starting, man. What? It's gonna hit. I think it's going over us. They're moving.
Go, 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 go. Sky's green. Tornado just popped up right over our heads. We just got out of there just in time. Holy shit. Holy shit.
I'm gonna take it nice and slow.
Dude, stop. Stop. There's debris coming down at you. Stop your